Today, we have set 60296, the wheelie stunt bike. Lego City Stunts. Let's get her open. And our second female motorcyclist to add to our wonderful little motorcycle gang we got going on. What did I do? There we go. As always, there'll be pictures at the end. What's fun about these little sets is I can build them and you can see them when I do. These little bikes have been wildly successful as of late on the channel, which is fantastic. So we're going to get them all. There's the directions. I'm going to set those aside because I can't get those in the camera while I do these. You know, one thing about Lego, you end up with so much trash. It's incredible. So we got the head, or not the head, shoulder pad. There's her head. There. Uh-oh, lost it. Well, she comes with blue hair. Set that aside because we'll never use the hair, to be honest. Put this together. There we go. There we go. Come on, we gotta get them handlebars in there. I do these live in one shot, so you get what you get. Very simple little wheelie bar. And there's the bike. Little skull and crossbones on the front. Get rid of that. There she is. On the bike. And the secret to getting them to hold on the handlebars, if you didn't know, is to turn the little hands backwards than what you would think they would be. At least what I think they would be. And now, uh-oh. And there we go. We've got the wheelie motorcycle girl. How about that? As always, there'll be pictures at the end. Y'all take it easy.